This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. Certainly. Here's the revised description with the inclusion of lawn maintenance. Stylish 4-bed, 4-bath home with loft in Waterset, $2,845 per month, lawn maintenance included. Welcome to this impressive 2-story rental home in the vibrant Waterset community, a place teeming with activities and amenities. This home is crafted for those who value a high-quality living environment. Upon entering, there's a convenient office space off the foyer, perfect for remote work or as a personal study area. The kitchen is a highlight, spacious and well-equipped for both hosting and daily use. It features quartz countertops, 42 inches upper cherry slate cabinets, and a beautiful glass backsplash, along with high-quality Moen fixtures. Adjacent to the kitchen is a large living area, boasting a 12-wide sliding glass door that leads to a covered lanai. This setup is ideal for extending your living space to the outdoors, suitable for both entertaining and quiet relaxation. The upper level hosts a primary bedroom suite and 2 additional bedrooms, along with a spacious loft and 2 full baths. The primary bathroom offers a retreat-like feel with a dual vanity, private toilet area, and a large walk-in closet. At $2,845 per month, this rental in Waterset not only provides a luxurious living space but also includes lawn maintenance, ensuring a hassle-free lifestyle. It's an excellent choice for those seeking upscale living combined with the convenience of community amenities. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Calvert at 509-294-6818.